It's been a few months since we posted anything because, well, quite frankly, we haven't done anything. But as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, we just bought a new leisure travel van. It's the Leisure Travel Van Unity 24 MBL. Longtime viewers of the channel will know that we started off as an RV channel back in 2017. We drove around the country for a couple of years before finally buying a house in Ocala and selling the old RV. Soon after, COVID hit, and pretty much we were restricted in travel. But things started to loosen up, and after about 5 years, we got the itch to RV again. In October of 2023, we decided to look into the leisure travel vans. We contacted an RV dealer, Gerzini's RV in Lakeland, Florida, and they told us that it would be an 18-month to 3-year waiting period on the build. Leisure travel vans are in high demand, and that's just the way it is in the industry. But we found a little loophole. The RV dealer will take orders from people, and sometimes those people will cancel their orders. The RV dealer will keep the order active with Leisure Travel Van, knowing full well that if they take delivery, they can sell the RVs with no problem. Our salesperson offered us one of the spots in the queue of the canceled orders. However, we did have to pay a premium. That premium was $10,000 above the manufacturer's suggested retail pricing. That really wasn't a problem for us because we did not want to wait 18 months to 3 years. We placed the order in October, and we were allowed to customize anything about that order that we wanted. The unit started production on May 23rd and was completed on June 7th, and it took about another week and a half for it to make its way down to Florida. All right, this is the first look at it. So this is just a quick first look at our unit. We have the Murphy bed lounge. This is all of our piles of paperwork. So we'll have to look through that later. The cockpit, Mercedes-Benz. This is the flip-up TV, and we'll do all that in the tour later.
somebody, I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe I can wash clothes in there.
After about 10 minutes, Jimmy the RV tech came in to give us the full technical tour. The full technical tour lasted about an hour, so I'm just going to show you some excerpts from that session. Since it was 90 degrees outside, the air conditioner was running at full blast, so I apologize in advance for the audio.
You have porch light, awning light. Those two, and you have a baggage light in a different.
So are they labeled?
No.
That would be too easy, right? Okay.
And I said
That's how, so you can clean your glass.
Okay.
Okay.
If we have to get in there and change any mechanism like this here,
Okay.
if this didn't open, we'd have trouble changing that out.
Yeah, exactly.
So is this the back of the
Outside. This is your jacks. Power button, they'll all light up. This is the auto level button. You want to make sure there's nothing in the way when it comes in or out.
Okay.
That's your tank heaters. So when you can turn it on, that's your clicking, that's going to ignite it. Push that in.
And there it goes. Just hold it down for a little bit.
So you have to do
Right.
that for each one.
Right.
Okay.
So now you can set your temperature, whatever.
Okay.
This is your furnace that's running.
Okay.
When the hotter that gets, the more air goes out.
Okay.
That one there is your hot water heater.
All right.
These are all your bypass valves. So if you hold the first button, you can add water in there.
Okay.
The other one. Put your hand down and get chopped up on it. It changes where this door doesn't open.
Oh, that would have been nice.
Yeah.
Now I gotta
Because
scoop
that's
around.
where your
Yeah.
filter is. Shower light.
Okay.
Okay.
Fan. Let's go up.
There you go.
Then it has the power. Turn the fan on.
Now for these to work, you have to be inverted or shore power, right?
Now this is 12 volt power.
Okay.
Oh, okay. That is trouble. Okay.
Slides 12 volt. Okay.
So when your friends come in and say, "Where's your table?" Say, "We didn't get one. We didn't order it." That's how that works.
Let's go that way.
Yeah.
This here can come down.
Okay.
You have to take the back off. This here will open up. It's on a magnet. And then you also have locks here. You have to Might have to shake it back and forth to get it. Where you can get it.
Okay.
Then you can just pull this baby down. This one down. This one down here. You also have lights up in here. Windows, screen, shade. Because here you have to turn on the button.
Okay.
Okay.
Here you can come up with the back press. Pull them all the way up, and then go back in.
Okay.
Two.
Yeah, we don't want you to do that.
No, that's
Yeah.
what that is where they should have.
Yeah, we didn't really.
To me, they should have folded it over and then stapled
Well,
it.
that's what I was saying. That's what they should have done. That's the
so
only
Do
quality
it like
thing that.
this.
Oh, there's some netting there and a hook.
Oh, it already comes with some.
Netting and a
That is your invert.
Yep.
This is your generator. It's all LP. You can check the oil here.
Okay.
You can start and stop it here.
All right.
If you have your generator running, you're not getting no power inside. Check this breaker right here.
Okay.
Make sure it's towards the front.
Towards the front. All right. Okay. Oh, there are the mats.
I told you the mats were missing.
Yeah.
No, they weren't.
They were in here.
They were there. Okay.
All right.
You have your propane here. You
Ah.
have your emergency shut-off switch.
Got it.
Okay.
Alright. This is your propane when they fill it.
Okay.
Now as you see it, you hear it turning, changing. And then you're going to start seeing this shrink back up.
Okay.
It's actually right there.
Yep.
Turn it.
Low.
This is your Trimo water heater. You can bring the source out of that. You have one in there from the factory.
Oh, okay.
In case that more, and then you can close it to with this. Automotive fuses.
Okay.
They're not marked. Yeah. Everything you want to check the oil and all that's inside on the computer.
Right.
You got your brake fluid, washing fluid, where you put oil on. You start, if you had to jump the engine battery, you have this knob here, you push it and turn. That's positive. That's your negative there.
Okay.
Pull it from your radiator. DEF fluid. On your dash is going to tell you when you're low.
All right.
Ain't been down in a while. They stick. Brand
a little
new.
sticky.
This also has a built-in wind sensor. Phones to these.
Mm-hmm.
One or two. You can navigate. Take it wherever you want to go.
To put everything we learned in practice, we'd stayed one night at the Champions Run RV Park in Ocala, Florida. So there it is, our new leisure travel van Unity Murphy Bed Lounge. In a couple of weeks, we'll give you a tour of our fully stocked leisure travel van. We will be taking it out on our first trip in a couple of weeks. We're going to be headed north to possibly Michigan, but maybe Wisconsin. All we want to do is escape the summer heat in Florida. We'll see you then.